Hey y'all, and welcome back. Yep, you get this Donna today. The makeup free in James's oversized t-shirt. Donna today, hair pulled back. I'm not planning on going anywhere. Do y'all hear that wind? It's crazy, isn't it? Anyway, I decided I'm gonna stay home today and do like some basic housekeeping, because the next few days are going to be really busy and I'm not really going to have the time to devote to that. So I figured if you wanted to, I have dishes to put up, I have dishes to wash, I have a stove to clean, I have a bed to make, I got a load of laundry going. I figured if you wanted to, you could put this on and we could clean house together. I just don't have anything going on today. Like I said, I didn't want to get out because I'm just going to be, I'm going to be running the next few days. So I figured I would just stay in. I opened my window because it was beautiful when I first got up. Like the sun was shining, and now it's kind of getting cloudy, and the wind, I swear y'all, it seems like March out there. It is crazy. I may have to close the window because it is just insane. Even when I walk to different parts of the house, it's crazy. But do y'all remember, and if you're new here, you won't remember this, but 2 Christmases ago, yes, not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before, James and I were laying in bed, and we heard this crashing sound in the master bathroom, and the cabinet over the toilet had fell off the wall and put a hole in our wall and scratched up another part of our wall. Y'all remember that? Okay. We just, night before last, he just repaired the hole. I know. It was one of those things where it wasn't really seen by anybody but us. It was in the master bath. It was over there on that wall, like by the toilet. And you just didn't pay attention to it. And we had talked about many times fixing it, repairing it, and we just never, we either didn't have the stuff or we'd forget to get the stuff or whatever he needed to repair it. Well, the other day we were in Lowe's and we were making a list and we got the stuff and he went in there and repaired it. So now I've got to paint that wall. So I just went out to the garage to see if I had the paint left for it, and I do. So I'm going to be painting that. I don't know if I'm going to be painting it today. I don't know if he's got to do anything else to it, but let me show you what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. See that big old ginormous hole that was there? And then down there? Yeah. So I'm just going to paint this whole wall right here. And I have plenty of paint for that, so it's not a big deal. And obviously, I got to touch up there too. So I'm just going to paint that wall. But like I said, it's probably not going to happen today. Do y'all hear that wind? That's how bad the wind's blowing. But please tell me we are not the only ones that put off stuff like that. Make me feel better, y'all. Make me feel better. Anyway, so let me set up the tripod, get started cleaning, and y'all clean with me. Let's get cleaning together. How about it?
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart beat as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turned around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I cannot beat you, no I won't have it, babe. Not playing this game. I do not feel you, I'm not crossing that tape. It would be a shame. So listen, baby, listen carefully, 'cause I got something to say. I feel us fading, listen carefully. Let's stop this charade.
Buster, are you inspecting my work again? Seriously, dude? Yes, I shook off the rug and vacuumed. I cleaned. Seriously, he has to inspect just basic cleaning? Really? Anyway, back to cleaning.
I wanna make things right, run away on this night, do whatever we like. We will see things clearly, on top of the world is what we deserve. So listen.
I am exhausted from taking down all my Valentine decor. I don't know if I can do any more because you know I had to take all this Valentine Day decor down. I don't know. Y'all wish me luck. So I don't know if y'all are like me when you're cleaning and you go to put stuff up and you have brainstorms and things, ideas hit you, but that's just what happened to me when I was putting all my Valentine decor up. I found this and remember I had this, and I think I'm going to go into the guest room and that beautiful oval picture that I bought thrifted last week, I think I'm gonna put it on this and set it on the dresser. I have it leaned up on the dresser, but I'm gonna see what that looks like. So let's go see what that looks like. Okay, so this is the thing I'm talking about. So I thought about, I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. I just thought it might be pretty. I don't know if this stand will even hold it. Actually, this might look better over here. I need to get some kind of pedestal to put this on. I may have to make one. What do y'all think? All right, what y'all think? I like it. I like it a lot. I got that. Remember those books I bought the other day, which will go with all of this. So I just took them off my bookcase and put them in here. I like it. I'm gonna live with it and see. I'm getting ready to do this room, y'all. I really am. I'm like itching to do it. I just gotta let my body recoup a little bit more, and then you girls gonna start painting, and I can't wait. But yeah, y'all have to let me know what you think about that. Back to cleaning.
I find it hard to read you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, ooh, la, 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 la. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think I can see clear now. Maybe you're scared of getting hurt, but if you sit down and allow me to get close, we might work. Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, 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 la, 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 la. Ooh, ooh, la, 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 la. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, 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 yeah. Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want? Strangers again. When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. We'd never fall, could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again.
Alright, y'all, thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I hope you got some cleaning motivation. Get all your cleaning done so your weekend will be clear, ready to go, and enjoy. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.